Meet the Galeon 560 Fly, bold, spacious, and brilliantly engineered. Ready to discover what makes this yacht so special? I'm Greg Kopp, and I'm so excited to present this beautiful 560 Galeon Flybridge. This boat just came from the factory, and you can still smell the newness of this boat. So this is a really nice helm we have here. You've got two huge Raymarine screens. You've got, of course, the autopilot. You've got the Seakeeper, which helps eliminate the roll, keeping the boat very comfortable. You've got a bow and stern thruster, so it's a very easy boat to drive. It's a great boat for an owner-operator. It's big enough to feel like a big yacht, but it's manageable the way the boat is designed. One of the examples I can tell you is you have this door right here. So very easy access to get to your cleat, so you can grab a spring line if you're on the boat by yourself, or you can communicate with whoever's up on the bow or behind, and then you can have a conversation with them on which line to get first. So here we are in the galley of the 56. I love how much refrigeration you have. You've got a full stand-up fridge and freezer here, and then you also have a bonus refrigerator right here that you can put more drinks. This will really come in handy when you're doing those longer trips to the Bahamas or just heading up and down the coast. You've got a nice serving bar here. So if you're gonna have a little party on the boat, you can put some nice hors d'oeuvres here, some platters. Of course, you've got a 4-burner induction. You can do all the cooking right here. And then you also have the convection microwave oven as well. And then of course, you've got a nice area here for serving. And this opens up. And then you can extend out here, the bar will pop up and you've got a huge area with 2 bar stools and the side that opens out that way. So you really have a nice section here, and a lot of people will gravitate to this area. So right off of the galley, you've got a cool little sitting area here. This side will open up as well. And then you can even open this when you have the beach mode open that way, and you have more seating here and a better view. So here in your upper salon slash dinette, you've got a massive area here. This is a pretty table here, which you can seat probably 6 people comfortably, or you can drop this table down, which is how we have it right now with the cushion, and you could put 5 kids here, pop-up TV here, and have movie night. So here we are in the owner's suite. You're gonna notice a lot of natural light coming through with these beautiful windows. You've got endless storage throughout the boat. You've got another bonus refrigerator here, so you can put some nice waters here and wake up in the morning, maybe even a glass of champagne. Nice storage hanging locker on this side and that side, so you have 2. Over here, you've got a nice little area in case you wanted to do any kind of work. You can put your laptop here, another beautiful view, or you can use it to put jewelry, makeup, whatever you may need. So I want to take a moment here to point out the detail, the quality, and the fit and the finish. I mean, here we are in the primary. Look at the different levels you have here. You've got beautiful woodwork throughout the boat. Then they have this material here. You've got the different material up here. I mean, everything is just so perfectly designed. There's not a flaw anywhere. All the colors go together. It's just really good craftsmanship that Galeon does. So it's also nice to have a washer dryer combo so close to your bed. You can pull out your laundry, toss it on the bed, and do your laundry. So check out this beautiful bathroom that you have in the owner's cabin. You've got a lot of natural light, beautiful windows, nice fixtures, and nice decorations throughout. Really, really nice area. So as you step inside the VIP, you're almost confused that this might be the primary suite. Look at the beautiful windows you have, ton of headroom. I'm 6'2", plenty of space here, and even more over here. I also like how you have a quick private access here to your head. And you've got another area here if you want to do it, your computer, makeup, whatever you need to do, or just look out at the beautiful view. So your third stateroom on the starboard side is a really good setup. You've got twin beds that also fold together. So it gives you a lot of flexibility. Again, the common theme, huge windows, great visibility, a lot of natural light. So here we are up on the Flybridge. This is such a good use of space. You've got massive seating all around here. And this of course is flexible. So if you're going forward, people can sit here facing that way. Once you stop, you can move it the other way. This does the same. And one of the coolest features I like is how this table opens up here. You can still use it as a walkthrough, or you can connect it and have a really nice social space up here. So here we are up at the Flybridge. We just got hit with a big storm, but that's the beauty of having an upper helm as well as a lower helm. So I would still be driving up here after the storm would stop. And again, as an owner operator, you've got great visibility up here. You can see everything. You also have the rear cameras. Just a very easy boat to drive. Bow thruster, stern thruster, seakeeper, everything you would need. So this is a cool space that you have on the fly. Not only do you have that nice dinette social zone we discussed, but you've got a great wet bar area, grill. So this will open up here. You have a grill. You've got a really nice refrigeration area here, which is great to put in meats, drinks, whatever you want. You can pull it right from the grill, right from the refrigerator, set it on the grill. And then you've got a wet bar here as well. And these all lock into place, so they're not going to accidentally open if you hit some bad weather. In addition to that, you've got a nice serving area here, so you can set some platters on that. You've got an ice maker here, and you also have a refrigerator on this side as well. So I can tell you from personal experience, this is a really comfortable place to be. If you're just cruising the intercoastal or you're anchored somewhere, these lounge chairs, exceptionally comfortable and a great view. So another great dining area you have on the boat is right here in the aft cockpit. Your nice and shaded area, seating everywhere, massive table, and you could even bring a couple director's chairs to set it here for additional guests. So another cool thing about the 56, this is a newer model, so it has the updated balconies that open up, which Galeon invented. So not only does it have the balconies, but now it also has the glass, so you can see through it at night. Just another cool feature that they have. This also will expand the boat and make, even though we're on a 56, you'll feel like you're on the back of an 80. So here we are on the swim platform. What I like a lot is it's a hydraulic swim platform, and unlike a lot of other brands, this is very solid. So it's well connected, it's not wobbly like on almost every other brand. I also like when you drop the platform, you have the escalator effect. So you have nice stairs, easier to get on and off the platform. And then of course you can put a huge tender on the back. If you're not dropping the swim platform, you can also sit here. You've got a nice rumble seat. Two people can just sit here and engage with people passing by. The other nice thing is that although this is an owner-operator boat, it does have a very nice crew quarter for one. So it's going to have its own bed, its own air conditioning, its own bathroom, its own refrigerator, and its own microwave. So in addition to all that, it also has a lot of storage. So very versatile. So here we are at the bow, another great area, lots of seating and also lots of lounging. We have it in the lay flat mode over here, and then on this side we have it in the lounging. So thanks so much for taking the time today to watch the 56 Galeon. If you want to find more about the boat, feel free to give me a call, 786-390-5292. Again, it's Greg Kopp, MarineMax Miami. Thanks for watching.